Alright, y'all, so this week was another birthday look.
Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. Wet a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100 round drum, gun a nigga down with it. I'm on that started young shit. Murder.
Okay, so as usual, you know that I always start with the front pattern. Making a dress, and this is a very old dress pattern that I made out of a previous dress that fits. You can make one too. You can either use your measurements or get a dress that fits you very well and trace it.
Persian rose, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning?
As you can see here, I'm adding a little more seam allowance because the person is a little bigger. It is very important that you measure your clients for stuff like this.
Boy, we wasting time. Girl, don't waste my time. You know I'm party. I don't just wanna chill with you.
And I usually use the front pattern to trace out the back, but I traced out the back first with seam allowance because it's going to have a zipper. So now I need to trace out the front. And the front, I only need a skirt for this part. So you're going to see me here marking it at the waist, from the waist down.
Oh, no. I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn on. I wanna let you. That's how you do. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing your orange in the bed. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Can you feel me, baby, can you feel me, babe? Ooh. Fuck, I
And now we use that same pattern to mark from the waist up to get the top.
look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing your orange in the bed. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Can you feel me, baby, can you feel me, babe? Oh. Feel me, babe. Can you feel me, babe? Feel me, babe. Can you feel me, babe? Oh. Feel me, babe. Can you feel me, babe? Feel me, babe. Can you feel me, babe? Feel me, babe.
Your first step is to attach the skirt with the mesh top. And you're going to sew along this line. Next, you want to hem the raw edges of the back of your dress.
Can you feel me, babe? Feel me, babe.
Then you fold and cut your back pattern in half so you can attach the zipper.
Can you feel me, babe? Feel me, babe.
Now you can sew your side seams together and hem the bottom.
Can you feel me, babe? Feel me, babe.
And here I'm just hand sewing the applique. It's a lot easier if you have a dress form, but you can also do it on a mannequin. It's very simple. You just sew very close to the edge and make sure your stitches are close together. And here's the final look. I was supposed to add pink feathers to the top, but we added pink diamonds instead.